Some home theater projectors are great, some home theater projectors suck. Today we're going through all the best home theater projectors available in the market today. Let's jump straight into it. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800B. This beast of a projector throws a massive 150-inch image from just 10 inches away, perfect for those of us living in shoebox apartments. With 4,000 lumens of brightness, you could probably use this thing to signal aliens or blind your neighbors. The built-in 2.1 Yamaha sound system means you don't need separate speakers, but let's be real, if you're dropping this much cash on a projector, you're probably already knee-deep in audio equipment. Epson Pro Cinema LS 12000. This bad boy boasts a 2700 anti-lumen laser light source and can deliver over 2,500,000 one dynamic contrast ratio, which is fancy talk for your eyes might melt from the picture quality. It's got 248 gigabits per second HDMI 2.1 inputs, so you can hook up your fancy new gaming console and still have room for your overpriced cable box. The downside, no 3D support, so you'll have to find another way to make your movies pop out at you. Maybe try throwing popcorn at the screen. Hisense PX3 Pro. This triple laser projector cranks out 3,000 anti-lumens of brightness and covers 110% of the BT.2020 color space, which is more colors than your eyeballs probably know what to do with. It's got a refresh rate of up to 240 Hz at 1080p, so your gaming sessions will be smoother than a freshly waxed dolphin. The 50-watt Harman Kardon speakers are a nice touch, but let's face it, you're not buying a projector for its audio prowess. Epson Home Cinema LS 11000. This projector uses some fancy 4K Pro UHD pixel shifting wizardry to make your movies look sharper than a porcupine in a tuxedo. With a brightness of 2,500 lumens, it's not the brightest bulb in the drawer, but it'll still light up your room like a Christmas tree on steroids. The laser light source means you won't be changing bulbs until the heat death of the universe, or at least for 20,000 hours, whichever comes first. Optoma UHD38X. This beast of a projector pumps out a whopping 5,000 lumens, making it brighter than your future. With a 2,000,001 contrast ratio, you'll see blacks darker than your ex's soul. But watch out, this bad boy is louder than your neighbor's annoying dog at 31 decibels. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800W. Talk about a short throw. This projector can give you a 150-inch image from just 24.2 inches away, perfect for those of us living in shoebox apartments. It's got a built-in 2.1 Yamaha sound system, so you can annoy your roommates with both picture and sound. Just don't expect mind-blowing color accuracy out of the box. You'll need to tinker with it like a frustrated IT guy. JVC LXZDU 3B. This laser-powered projector boasts a 20,000 hour lifespan, outlasting most of your relationships. It's so damn bright at 3,000 lumens, you might need sunglasses indoors. But with a contrast ratio of only 1130. The blacks are about as deep as a kiddie pool. Samsung Premier LSP7T. This ultra short throw projector can give you a 120-inch image from just 16.3 inches away. It's basically breathing on your wall. It comes with Samsung's Tizen OS, so you can waste time scrolling through apps instead of actually watching something. The 30-watt 2.2 channel speakers are decent, but let's be real, you're gonna want a proper sound system to match that massive picture. BenQ TK700 STII. This bad boy throws a 100-inch image from just 6.5 feet away, perfect for cramped apartments or your mom's basement. With 3,200 lumens of brightness, you can watch movies with the lights on like some kind of psychopath. But beware, the built-in Android TV is as laggy as your grandma trying to use a smartphone. Epson Home Cinema 3800. This projector's got more lens shift than a drunk optometrist, making setup a breeze for even the most technically challenged. It's bright as hell at 3,000 lumens, but the fan noise might make you think you're watching movies inside a jet engine. The color accuracy is so good out of the box, you'll wonder if you've developed superhuman vision. Optoma GT2000 HDR. This ultra short throw projector can give you a 100-inch image from less than a foot away, perfect for those who like their screen real close and personal. The 3,800 lumens brightness is enough to sear your retinas, but the lack of lens shift might have you stacking books under it like a janky Jenga tower. At least it's got 3D capabilities. Because who doesn't want to watch Avatar for the 50th time in 3 dimensions? Hisense C1. This little cube of joy packs a serious punch with its 4K UHD resolution and triple laser light source, delivering a whopping 1,600 ANSI lumens of brightness. The C1's autofocus and auto keystone correction make setup a breeze, perfect for those of us who can't be bothered with manual adjustments. While it's great for gaming and movies, the fixed focal length might limit your placement options, so measure your room before falling in love with this compact powerhouse. Epson Home Cinema 5050UB. This beast of a projector is like the Hulk of home cinema, with its massive contrast ratio and color accuracy that'll make your eyeballs dance. The motorized lens with horizontal and vertical shift is so convenient you might find yourself adjusting it just for fun. However, be prepared to sell a kidney or two to afford this bad boy, and maybe invest in a gym membership to lug its hefty ass around. BenQ TK700. Gaming enthusiasts rejoice. This projector boasts an insanely low input lag of 16.67 milliseconds at 4K 60 Hz, making it faster than your reflexes after a triple espresso. With 4K resolution and HDR support, your games will look so good, you might forget to actually play them. Just don't expect mind-blowing color accuracy or contrast. It's more of a jack-of-all-trades, master-of-none situation. Optima UHD38X. This projector is like the Usain Bolt of the home theater world, with a lightning-fast 4.2 millisecond response time at 1080p and a 240 Hz refresh rate that'll make your head spin. It's bright as hell too, pumping out 4,000 lumens that'll cut through ambient light like a hot knife through butter. But be warned, the fan noise on the bright setting might have you thinking you've accidentally started a jet engine in your living room. Optoma GT2000 HDR. This bad boy throws a massive 100-inch image from just 3.5 feet away, perfect for cramped apartments or lazy folks who can't be bothered to move their couch. With 3,500 lumens of brightness, you could probably use this thing as a spotlight for your neighbor's cat stuck in a tree, but watch out for that 34 decibel fan noise. It might drown out your whispered commentary during those intense movie scenes. BenQ 575. Gamers rejoice. This projector's got a 16 millisecond input lag that'll make you feel like you're actually inside the game. Just don't try to dodge real bullets, okay? With 3,800 lumens, it's bright enough to use in a well-lit room, perfect for those midday gaming sessions when you should probably be doing something more productive. However, the 6,000-hour lamp life might have you reaching for your wallet sooner than you'd like. Epson Home Cinema 1080. This projector's got more lumens than you can shake a stick at, 3,400 to be exact, making it brighter than your future after binge watching an entire season in one sitting. It's got a contrast ratio of 16,001, which is probably higher than the ratio of hours you spend watching movies versus doing anything else. But beware, the lack of 4K might leave you feeling a bit pixelated in today's ultra-high-def world. BenQ HT2060. This little LED powerhouse boasts a 30,000-hour lifespan, so you can watch the entire Lord of the Rings extended edition approximately 2,500 times before it gives up. It's got HDR10 and HLG support, making your movies look so good you might forget you're staring at a wall. But at 7.9 pounds, it's not exactly featherweight. Maybe consider it your new workout routine when you're setting it up. Epson EpiqVision Mini EF12. This little cube of joy packs a 1080p laser-powered punch with a 20,000-hour light source that'll outlast your Netflix subscription. It's got Android TV built in, so you can stream your heart out, and those Yamaha speakers will make you think you're in a tiny concert hall. But at 1,000 lumens, it's dimmer than your future after binge-watching an entire season in one sitting, so maybe save it for movie nights in a dark room. Thanks for watching. Even though I doubt it, I hope this video helped you pick a product. Links to all these products will be in the description below. Peace out.